Hello, I'm Martin May from Aston University. I'm the Knowledge Transfer Partnership Manager. The online form has come about as a result of the efforts of representatives of KTP offices, KTP funders, KTP advisors and the Technology Strategy Board. The form retains the vigour of the existing process but has been changed in structure to reflect the way that partners approach KTP projects. KTP proposals continue to be a two-stage application process, starting with an expression of interest and progressing to a full proposal. On the KTP Office Manager Group home screen, there is a section on the right of the screen that is headed Apply for a KTP. Click on the Apply Now button. There will be a request for the name of the document. This is free form, but it's probably good practice to include as a minimum the company name, the knowledge base name. A unique identity will be issued once the form is generated. The application form will now be generated. This is essentially a secure website that can only be accessed by formally invited team members. The screen takes a little time to load. The structure of both the expression of interest and the full proposal have been changed significantly from the current Word document as a result of the work taken by the KTP Systems Working Party, aimed at making completion of the form more logical and attuned to the way KTP managers work. There are 11 sections. The sections are reasonably self-explanatory, but the form is dynamic and certain fields will make changes to the structure of the full application form. The project duration will decide if the form should default either to shorter KTP or classic KTP, and the number of associates will drive the number of associate profiles and work plans required. Once the expression of interest form is completed, the message about fields requiring validation will vanish and the submit button will turn blue. It is good practice to view and save as a PDF. At this stage, the PDF is used by the KTP advisor in the same way as the current EOI. In future, there will be back office activity running this process online. The structure of the full form is identical to the expression of interest, except more fields will be generated and changes made to the content based on dynamic fields. Additional files will be required for full submission of a proposal. There are prompts for attachment in the document body. These are work and time plan, joint commitment statement. These documents can be downloaded from the KTP Office Manager Group homepage. As the system is further developed, these documents will be replaced by modifications to the online form, which will enable enhanced functionality. For example, the creation of the Gantt chart direct from the work plan.